Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing the question number 2C. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of solution of any subject, any course. So you can contact us on our WhatsApp number or this number which is 9009368 and at this number you have to just say hi on this number and we will provide all the PDF after the payment. So this is the question number C is show that the transformation Q is equal to Q sine alpha minus P cos alpha and P is equal to Q cos alpha plus P sine alpha. Satisfy the symplectic condition for any value of the parameter alpha. So if you need answer of all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the solutions at the same time at the same date. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.